When you think of herbs, I bet cayenne pepper doesn't come to mind. Cayenne pepper may be the best herb ever. It seriously is amazing. I bet you don't know just how good it is. You are probably thinking, well, I'm not too much of a spicy fan, so why would I want cayenne pepper? Well, you just wait. I will tell you all the fabulous benefits. Before we get into the wonderful benefits, here are a few things you should know. Its Latin name is Capsaicin annuum. The fruit and seeds are the medicine. It should not be consumed in large amounts during pregnancy, and you should err on the side of caution when consuming cayenne internally if you are on pharmaceutical blood thinners. The general tincture dosage guidelines to follow for adults is 1/4 to 1 teaspoon 2 to 3 times a day. Of course, there are many other ways to use this astounding herb, both internally and externally. It is a premier crisis herb, and it's not only good for humans but for animals too. It can be added to other herbs to boost the other herb's effectiveness. Alright, so what are the benefits? It is good for shock, helps with internal bleeding, helps with external bleeding, decreases inflammation, it improves circulation, helps topically for arthritis, it is used as an expectorant to break up mucus in the lungs, it is great for sore throats, it improves the elasticity of blood vessels and therefore it can help with high blood pressure and low blood pressure. It is great for warding off colds. It is also good for clearing the sinuses. It helps with heart attacks. It stabilizes blood sugar levels. It helps with itching from diabetic neuropathy. It decreases acid production. It increases stomach pH. It increases stomach mucus production. It improves blood flow to the stomach lining. It heals stomach ulcers. It lowers cholesterol and it supports weight loss. As you can see, cayenne is absolutely, unequivocally an amazing herb. Let me say that again, amazing. If you don't have this on your shelf, you need to. Grow it or buy it, just get it. SHTF, Survival Homestead Teaching Farm, thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.